devil customer, I beg, no face.
What the be this?
What I do again now? What I do now? When you ask to get out, I did, yeah? When you can't go be a Balo, I did, yeah? When I not to enter room 206, was I there? Yeah? But let them come and say, me do am. Me when they busy, they add fire for video and Bilo do show. When I give Bele, now Jesus, see me see problem, oh.
Devil, what is it? You call Jesus?
Listen to this boy.
Madam, the belly you're picking carry. I'm so a planner. Now devil custom. I beg, no face.
Jesus!
What's up, guys? On a day, it's your boy OBIKING, and I'm back again with another episode of What I Do Best Comedy Reaction. So please make sure to watch to the very end because this is going to be fantastic. Trust me on that, you understand? So I don't want to say much, so don't play. Let's go have some fun.
One is not picking. Auntie, good evening. Sorry, please. I'm looking for number 6. I've been walking around since I can't seem to find the place.
Do I look like map? Do I look like Google map? See number 6 there now. You are not see. You can't see. You can't see number 6.
Thank you.
Madam, I beg get out. See.
Huh? No, I just asked you now. Why you?
I beg. And then number 6.
You don't show
Oh, you
up.
see number 6 there.
Now, wow. Thank you.
Don't worry, you two, you go ask your own.
Excuse me, madam.
Hi.
Please, I'm going to Osaro Agbon Street.
Wow, you have passed.
I've passed it.
Oh,
Oh my god.
I'm so sorry.
Why you not
I've
shout
been
for
for
this
this
one?
place all day, man. Like, I'm tired. I'll just be going back home, man. I can't
Don't worry.
deal.
No, come. It's far, but I'm less busy. I can just show you.
Your leg's busy.
Yeah.
Can you show me?
Yes. Let me help you with your bag. You must be so tired.
For real?
Yes.
What are your plans in life?
Thank you so much, you.
It's
You see
far, but don't worry,
woman,
I'll
you shout on
You show
woman.
me.
Yeah.
Man, don't
What's
show
your
now.
name?
You go
My name
show.
is Chase.
Oh, Chase.
What's your name?
My name is Jenny. Chase, you're not supposed to be on that phone like this.
It's not too hot like that.
You're not even supposed to be outside like this.
For real?
Should be inside with me.
Yeah?
Inside, it's you.
With whichever one that works for you.
Let's just get to my street first. Thank you.
What flat are you going to?
You wanna,
Let me.
okay, you want to follow me? Okay, let me just get you water now.
Yes, let me.
Don't stop.
Samaritan. Okay, let me hold the bag inside. You're a very good Samaritan, I swear. And you have a big Barbaritan.
So, is it like your brother's house?
Yes, my friend. You want to spend the night?
I don't know. I don't have anything.
What do you mean by that?
You have anything you're doing? Okay, that's very nice of you, okay?
Okay.
Alright, let's go in together. Oh my god. I thank God I asked you for direction today.
Thank God I was passing that
Oh
road.
my gosh.
No matter how loud that we don't do a drag. I'll have you mark this one.
Oh boy. See people. Get anything for the anything. Bring her.
John, sir.
Hey, wait.
Sir, you catch any fish today?
Hey, wait.
This one I'll do.
Hey, teeth. See how they catch him, just like that.
Hey! What's your problem now?
I was just walking down this road. This guy from nowhere dragged my phone. If not for the intervention of this young man, I don't know what would have happened.
Mr. Man, you are an old man. Can't you walk?
I'm telling you.
We are preaching against immorality in the society, but you are here constituting yourself.
Can you imagine?
Where's the phone we are talking about now? Where's the phone we are talking about?
Cinema, see the kappa here.
Give it to the owner.
Baba, see your kappa.
Thank you. God bless you, my brother.
Respect.
But I'm highly disappointed in you. You know why? This is a civil case. You're supposed to call police into this.
I call police number, they no pick. Now I say make them first they touch them before they go pick later.
Is that why you took laws into your hands? This is jungle justice. Before they just tell these people to leave you.
Bros, I beg una don't try una best. I love the way una beat them. Please. Hey, young man.
Baba, you get love. Person like me. For this area.
Don't ever steal again, no rubbish.
What's all this now?
I am boss, no wahala.
Thank you. A big man. Fun now. I don't feel like giving my brother.
Yes.
I am an armed robber. They tell me, thief. I be by God's grace. You understand? Because not my power.
Bros, yeah, they tight. Make we do that side.
No worry. I did in a very solitary place. You understand? So very serene, a peaceful area.
Yeah, people know today here.
Yes. And the year go favor me and you. You understand? Let's do this diplomatically.
Good.
Yes. Now, what will be your name again?
Sabinus.
Mr. Sabinus. Put yourself in my shoe now. Say you the thief.
Okay.
Then they beat your colleague. How you go feel?
Okay, now.
And my colleague. Okay. We know where we meet now. They be this now. Now get there now weekend.
Yeah, I must say the way you intervened, that means you have him at heart. It's just like you. Let me say you're a good thief.
That is our motto. Yes. You understand? So
Yes.
say that they beat your colleague. You will come to rescue now. Be
Good. Which what you did.
okay, man. You want to take the life of my colleague.
No, he's alive.
Anyway, where is the where that exhibit we talk about?
That phone. Oh yeah, bring her.
The phone.
Yeah, it's with me.
Merci.
It's my phone.
My observer now.
Okay, no problem.
I understand you. Let's do this diplomatically.
Bros, this is the phone. I'm not.
Yes. You understand? Let's say this is the exhibit A.
Yes.
From the first suspect.
Good.
This is exhibit B.
Nice.
From the second suspect. You understand? So, in case of next time, my brother, I will beg you, don't take law into your hands. So,
I've learned it today.
say no to crime. I understand. But people like you, you are an epitome of a good citizen of this country.
I'm telling you. Well, nice to meet you, my brother. Nice to meet you.
I will give you my number.
Good. Make I type it.
No, not be here. You put on for your medulla. I love your personality.
People know me. Bros, you're going.
I beg carry on with this car.
Bros, my phone is with you. Hello. Bros, much respect.
Guide that movement.
Bros, looking at your personality, your color, I think say be human being. Oh. Bros, I prefer that for my thief. Oh. Your own thief, you're not a good thief. Oh.
Nah, but
You're a very good thief.
Good thing.
Annie,
Good morning.
wait, you even they do TikTok this morning? She no say she don't come my side. Now TikTok they do every day.
But you said you complain too much. Oh. You complain too much. Since Mama died, have you asked me how I feed myself? You want it just to look for money and pay school fees. This is how I feed myself. This is my office. So you go permit this one, I beg.
What type of plane is this? So me won't go find how you go take pay your school fees now. Now me not get office abi.
Share the life. Tap on your screen. Thanks for the roses. Thanks for the roses.
I follow you they talk. You see they talk about roses. Hey look, if I come back here and see they do this thing, you go to say life, not be bed of roses. Aji.
How are you, my dear? Beautiful angel. What's your name now?
My name is Annie.
Annie. I love that name.
Nice sister.
Very beautiful name.
So you look like a big man, no? So send me gifts now.
But the thing is,
What's going on here?
my dollar card is not working again. Oh. It's not working. It's been long I use it.
So what are we going to do now that you don't have this? Okay.
When you come see me, I give you plenty money.
Neighbor, God have mercy upon us. You don't hear about Boost Switch dollar card.
What is that one again?
Sir, now one virtual card. We dey work for everything. They work for TikTok gifts. They work for Netflix, Apple Music, anything, sir.
You mean I can use it to recharge her now?
Aji.
Now
You
sister don't want to charge you.
It's good to have good and educated employee. Show me.
Okay, sir.
That's ground.
Do you want my scriptures here?
Say hi to my cleaner.
Annie, I find her. God have mercy upon us.
I'm sorry for all of you.
Sir, she's fine, but she's very young.
I like them young.
Okay, you know. You know.
Okay, sir.
You know.
Where are you even at?
I've done it, sir. Sir, if you gift anybody like this.
My cleaner say he has done it. Aha, it's true.
Thank you, sir. My destiny
I'm giving you plenty lion,
A few moments later.
Talkless.
Sir.
So you know how to do all these things, eh?
You never finish you.
Okay.
That boss switch, if he's open real US bank account.
Oh, so my friends in the diaspora, I can send money to them.
Yes, sir.
They can send to me too.
I did.
See what?
He shot you.
It's okay.
About my salary, sir, you say you want to give me today.
Okay, your salary. Okay. But Talkless. You see, he knows that I gift that girl a lot of coins. So I don't have money now. Latest by Monday.
Okay, next week Monday.
Monday is not far now. Or are you tired of the job?
No, sir.
Never carry salary.
If somebody, if that, oh my God.
Let's have it. Let's have it.
Eluani, don't beg me. This will not be matter of begging.
Okay.
I think I tell you, say all those gifts you collect from my oga, keep until I come. Now my salary be that. Aji.
Greetings, honorable members. I rise to make a prayer request that the House should pass a bill that will compel our government to bring back our trafficked girls that are in different countries. Many of these young women are subjected to unimaginable abuse. They are forced to sleep with warders, severely underfed, and in some cases tortured to death. This is not only inhuman, but a grave violation of their fundamental human rights. Such cruelty demands immediate and uncompromising actions. Thank you, honorable members.
Under breast, nice, but you invest. Take a look at your body.
When is that house?
How many life you say Umaru take?
I think about 4. Just 4 people.
Just 4 people. Release him from prison.
Yes.
Detain Benga. The guy be protesting.
Your Excellency, I just made a request.
Oh, okay. Prayers. Wow. Amen. Somebody second.
I second.
You did what?
I second,
What do you second?
Secondary school. And I think what she said.
What did she say?
So many things where I suffer this life where they make man to tag out.
You don't even know it.
Yeah, Excellency, I swear to God, I don't know.
Go outside.
You don't want?
Go outside. You know this.
Your Excellency, bash machine me.
After a person go say, if they tell her she open leg,
We don't know about it.
Open the prayer yourself now. Say you don't. Open them.
This is Natasha versus Agkaay.
Potential element. His Excellency is even a prayer. She can take it to church.
This is when I pray, she's happy. Hope we got up moping. This is the end of this sitting. So, more prayers to you. Enjoy your weekend.
So who's gonna save? Tell me who's gonna fight for me?
You guys don't have empathy for humans. This is very wrong. I will not take this in this house. You don't do things like this. How would the country grow if we keep behaving like this? This is totally wrong. This is totally wrong. You guys don't have conscience.
Let's see the edit. The Olani State House of Assembly has suspended Honorable Atama for defaming the Speaker of the House. In her exact words, she referred to the Speaker as brain drain and bastard. She was so loud that other members of the House had to cover their ears in shame.
Blood of God.
True. You see you, and to carry something break your head, 9 days my mind. So you want them to say church contribute 3 million naira give you? Make carry go buy musical equipment from Echo SS Limited. You carry the money travel, the chop and small. You carry 3 million naira, they add money, they fat, That's the way carry you go, don't carry you come back. They push them. You say the content creator, I will soon feature you for content. So you know what them say? You don't know about Echo SS Limited. When we say they sell mic, they sell drum, they sell guitar, they sell amplifier. Conga, they sell them.
I didn't know how to carry contact there.
This one I will take my sugar. You want to say that pastor don't give you number? He gave me. And this one I will take. Who be first to see her?
Officer, that means
thief, criminal. You get locked, say person way like you don't come bail you. Stand up, move, come on here. Criminal. Pass! Here they go.
Jesus!
What is really your plan?
Why do you still stand here? If you they go now.
Officer, you say which people pay me?
And the good people be this.
Officer, which people be the good people ever me?
And your church people be this. They contribute money. They forget say you do that kind of bad thing to them. They contribute money, bail you.
They won't beat you by themselves.
Let's to get lucky. Let's to get lucky. Say police people hold him. If they say catch him, I for bleed him. Took him for ground. I go stab him. They must. Get my drop 3 million. Grab money. Get my drop him. What is that now?
Run. I no go fit go. If I go, they go wound me. I feel no survive. I will vanish from this earth.
You get my chop my offering money. Money what for you feed my children. You see me? You go know say I be very wicked person. I no go though. I no get good name. Forget that prayer what we dey do for church. I'm a very wicked person. I wicked. For my company they fear me. If you see this money where you chop, I go carry you go to Juju. If I no go report to shrine, make I die. Sister Joe, be a pastor. Drop that sister one side though. You know how much I dey put for offering every day. When you useless boy, go carry my money run.
Okay, you come.
Officer, I won't go back inside.
No! Okay, say me come!
You be nice to these people. You don't talk people are good people.
And Bill person no one come on. And the world will suffer him now.
Let me tell you, so you no go fi stand 1 minute when we come back around.
It's the car wheel.
Oh, Jesus.
Who are you?
Now, so they tell you to do the thing.
Oh, let's go! That is me over palori. If your mama show up, I go knock her with her condom. DK, me, I know they fear fire. If your mama try me, I go knock her with her condom. Yeah!
Let's have it. Let's have it.
I know say if my helper see me, you go help me tire. DK, me, I know they fear fire.
Best African rapper.
African rapper #1.
Hey, I don't feel you. Almost I will rap that, I swear.
Agbarapa. I dey gbadun your flow, so you get bars. I'm sure you see that part where you talk, say your mama. I go, say you understand I know what you is not.
You say one like your mama with that condom.
That part where you dey your mama go knock and tire. Help me write down my day. Shall make sure say you go put her for them. They say na so I die you.
I'll so die you.
Solo.
I will change this hair maybe tomorrow.
Yes, but you like it like that.
And tomorrow I will change it.
But I want you to make this style.
This style.
Okay.
A very weary.
What's in the happen here? How's it go? Hell! So now the market where I send you be this. I said not that you may not follow this useless boy, the worker. I not tell you like that.
Hey, wait.
Hey!
You don't get belly.
It is finished.
You don't carry belly.
Come now.
You don't carry belly.
Hey. Come. I talk him. You carry belly. No, you don't carry. You can. Who carry belly? Wait, Baba, him. You're this useless boy. So I don't want you say make you know they follow my daughter. They walk.
You go give him belly.
You go give him belly. You go give him belly, abi.
Man, devil customer, beg no face.
What be this?
Don't no.
Again, now what I do now? When you ask to get out, I did there. When you can't go to Balo, I did there. When you not to enter room 206, was I there? Yeah? But let them come and say, I'm big one. Me when they busy, they add fire for video and my bill on issue. When I give Kepele, now Jesus, see me see problem.
Jesus said not sure.
Devil, what is it? You call Jesus?
Listen to this boy.
Madam, the belly you're picking carry. I'm so planner. I devil cause him. I beg no offense.
Jesus! Oh, what? No, what sort of rubbish is this? No, what kind of nonsense is this? A child that I personally molded. I molded this child by myself and placed it inside this girl's stomach.
And they give you the glory.
No, devil, you do this one. They are giving you the glory, devil.
Okay? You see this belly where you go get for this useless poor boy. You know go there. This baby is an abomination. Why would they go chemist go for me?
Hey, wait. Jesus said that they beg so.
No, just they go pharmacy. No, just they foolishly they go pharmacy. I swear. If that belly come out, make I die. No, if that belly come out, make I die.
Make you every Jesus.
No, you go drink post not too tire. You will drink post not too tire. The belly will go to your back and stay your waist. Bet me.
This guy don't get sense.
Emeka, shall I tell you no go better for you? So they go later come back.
My son is back!
Jesus. EFCC. You want spray money, see EFCC.
So, who be that one?
I get why I won't marry.
This one not too big for you. Listen to you. You know, say this one high too up, pass your own. You want to yourself?
No, now for Hallelujah challenge I say she dey go church. I better girl.
Mommy, I got this for you. Even your son don't know about it.
Oh, my daughter-in-law. As I see you, the only thing you just let me say, Mama. Now your son wife be that. This is your fish. The mommy water. She go fine. I thought, go sit down.
I guess I keep an accident for this boy this morning.
You go pay.
Babe, I'm coming. Let me go arrange everything we came back with, okay?
I'm happy to see you. When I'm mad, how is the city?
Hey, my son, leave that one.
I be evil man.
Your uncle, that's why you take me. I'm happy for you. But I dey fear. How you take make am all of a sudden like this?
I take make am in front of uncle.
Who be this one? Not to what if you do. My God, pass it, Juju. They're not born am. Talk.
Mommy, in academy.
What's in the card?
Now best app why they use to trade on my gift card now. The best part be say when you are registering and you register with my promo code Kevin, they'll give you 3,000 naira bonus for registering. Wow. They are fast and reliable and the best brand now. I want to demolish this place and build a new one. That uncle house, I want the pack cement for that place.
Kevin, you want to demolish my house? Step on the pack cement.
Calm down.
You know the fear me?
I will carry you go city.
I don't want to go any city, Kevin. I get better business what they do for this village. Even your mama know.
Wait, not be true. They use all your life.
Woman.
We just pray.
I
deal with my soldiers. I want to perform a crucial battle.
I want to crucial
battle between me and you.
If you like waka around that motor, I don't protect her with the blood of Jesus. So.
I don't see him.
They make we know whether good go fit defeat evil for Nigeria.
This guy don't get sense.
Wait oh.
Maybe this guy is.
Good afternoon. You're a musician, Abi?
Yes, sir.
I know you now. Call it the Balo.
My name is Skippy.
Oh, don't mind me, Johnny. Oh, then Skippy my hand. I know you now. This one your face is daddy, so there's no problem.
Daddy, he just released his new single and he wants me to be a victim in his new video.
Hey! Wait. You want my daughter to wear pant and bra, come on, chicken and yash in your video.
No be so.
Don't be so how? If I slap this boy, she will not finish, she will not carry chicken money and be giving her, Abi.
I will give her money. I'll pay her like 10K.
$10,000.
10,000 naira. To use and do what?
Dollars.
There. See, my brother, let me tell you, we don't need your money. See, this is my daughter here. I raised her with the fear of God.
Fear of God consign dollars.
Get off my company not take contact from them. Get out of this place also.
I know what's it.
Get out of this place also. I know good. Don't understand.
No problem.
Can you imagine?
Daddy, you really surprised me. Oh. I was thinking you were going to accept the money. Daddy. 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 Where is he?
Oga, I know I said I wanted a vixen. When a woman with a fine, and besides, what's it be this?
What be this? Jesus.
This thing touch me. This thing really pain me.
Baby, I love my hair like it's giving luxury, like clacking, baby. Bouncing coils. Baby, come on, pay.
So how much is this?
Just 330,000, sir.
How about this bouncing coin?
Just 950,000 naira, sir.
This one looks good on you.
You like it, I mean.
How much is this one?
Just 1.1 million naira, sir.
Hey, what's going on here?
1.2.
1.1 million naira, sir.
1.1 million naira.
The movie is sharp.
Yeah?
Why did you remove the hair now?
How did I remove the hair? How much is your house rent in my borough?
650.
I had a shop like you should have take it. Mom Sika, you see Bone Street. Go straight at 5,000.
Why do you keep doing this every time? I don't want to go.
Let's go to Mom Sika.
Can you stop? You're very annoying. What do you mean, Zim?
I don't want to pay and beyond paying.
I don't want pay.
So do you want bouncing here? I don't want bouncing here.
Bouncing here.
It is bounce, it is shake, it is bounce, it is shake.
You see that this thing is bouncing. You like it, Abby?
I have to say it's very fine.
Oh, that is bouncing.
The one that is bouncing. What about this one? Look at it.
Bounce it.
I don't like it.
How do you see this one?
Fine fish pie.
Beautiful.
Mom Sika, how much is this one?
10,000.
You give us to 5,500.
Take it for 6K.
Oh, I don't like it.
Is it bouncing or is it not bouncing?
It's bouncing.
Mom Sika, I'm gonna pack it.
Okay, I should go and pack all.
I'll pack everything.
I don't need that. Me, I don't need them again.
Go on that place. Not be here. They don't buy with for year.
If you put that motherfucking it, I don't think you put actually go find girlfriend. Idiot. Maybe let's Jesus!
Lala. So, my boss, what did you try to tell me? Say, if I start to the trade now, you sure say I go make money?
Baba, I started trading at the age of 2. I made my first $1 million at the age of 3. You see, forest now, waiting like they use chop. Everything now what I teach you, you just go get do am. You understand? Money go they enter. As this in the market they buy.
Okay, as green they up they buy.
They buy.
Okay.
So if the red now come they down like this now, they sell.
They sell. Yes. Okay, no worry. Hey, Baba, we see $2,000 for here as balance.
And I me put that.
You know, so these things when you talk na no be theory. I won't make you practice this thing. I see, I'm asking there.
Now use this my 2,000. Mine is and 3.
Yeah, just use and buy.
There you go. Make I use it 2,000. You do this nonsense. You don't see what you talk.
I say,
if you buy, you go sell. If you sell, you go buy.
Nah, Baba, come on for here.
See, once I don't teach you how. Put your money. Anything we see, now your luck.
What's in here? Oh my.
Alakuni, you no see me, you no greet me.
If I no greet you, you no fit greet me.
Iwa. What's that? What's that?
Jesus, this one I just want.
Your man is and you are going. If you only go anywhere.
I don't really understand what's happening for this one. I don't really understand. Now Mazi, now you offend you. Why you gonna call thunder on other people? I don't really understand. If you understand, I bet let me know. Because I couldn't understand it. So guys, thanks for watching to the very end. I believe you enjoyed this all. And tell me your favorite parts of the video. Let's write in the comment section. And please check out my other videos. There's so many of them on my channel. Check them out. Trust me, you're gonna love them. You understand? So see you in the next one, my good people. Peace and love.